Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking model and OS so you apply the right steps. Once done, go straight to display settings. Turn off adaptive or auto brightness. This prevents the system from undoing your changes. Manually set brightness to about 50% as a baseline and make sure the room lighting is consistent so your adjustments are meaningful. If you have a brightness slider in quick settings, use it now to see immediate effect while keeping the settings app open for further tweaks. Once baseline brightness is set, dive into advanced display controls to fine-tune how brightness feels. Here you adjust contrast, gamma, and color temperature to improve perceived brightness without maxing the slider. Use the system calibration tool or a trusted app to run a quick calibration sequence. This aligns output to expected white and gray levels. Then load a standardized test image and step through settings while watching shadow and highlight detail, making incremental changes and comparing each one before moving on. To finish, apply a power or performance profile that maintains your chosen brightness and save it as a preset so you can restore it later. Restart the device and test in both bright and dim rooms to confirm consistent results. If brightness remains insufficient, follow one key troubleshooting step. Inspect hardware components, check display connectors, backlight inverter if applicable, and the panel itself, because software fixes can't overcome failing hardware. If hardware looks fine, consider professional repair or replacement options next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.